Hello. I made a plan today. Where am I looking? I don't know. Today I'm really going to stay focused. Sometimes you just need a little, you know? I'm kind of like a child without an adult, you know? So my plan is my adult. I'm going to embrace what we have happening. My period is due tomorrow. I'm like, everyone, fuck you, fuck me. I can't even. Today I'm giving myself permission to have coffee, so let's go get that in our PJs. Let's go.
Casino del Sol.
I really would love to have some Starbucks right now, but the closest Starbucks, which is pretty close, it doesn't have a drive-thru. The closest Starbucks doesn't have, actually there's a couple Starbucks that are like super close to me, but they don't have drive-thrus. And I'm like in my PJs, full of dog hair. It just doesn't feel right, you know? I want to drive through. I just want to drive through and go. Dunkin' and Dutch Bros is right next door to each other, but Dutch Bros is expensive, you know, and I have like a lot of kids or whatever, so I think I'm gonna do Dunkin'. I also have a coupon for Dunkin' Donuts.
No credit?
No problem. Apply for easy.
How is putting a corset on different than labor? What's the big difference? The pain is, oh, have you tried one of these corsets? The pain is intense. You probably have never felt a pain like this except for childbirth.
Sorry. I'm gonna have to let you go.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, how about this? How about this? Okay, how about this? One last thing. How about this? We'll just come and do a prank call on you. How's that?
Food as it should.
Cancelled.
I'm canceled. I usually order large, but I'm gonna, you know.
How can I get that for you today?
Can I get a small iced white mocha latte?
Would you like whipped cream?
Yes, please. And I also need a small iced caramel latte.
You want whipped cream and the caramel?
No, thank you. Money, money. Money, honey. Money, honey. This girl keeps looking at me in the mirror. Where is my card? Oh my god, where's my card? Like, for real. So now I order smalls. I used to order a large, sometimes extra large coffee. I told myself, okay, if you are going to drink coffee, you need to order a small. So that's what I've been on. And the other day I did order a large, and I did it out of habit. And as I was driving away, I was like, why did you order this big ass coffee? Like, it's so crazy how sometimes we just do shit so mindlessly. It's like, I have goals. What are you doing? self-sabotaging yourself. Because sometimes I just do shit and I'm like, oh wait, no, you wanted to not do that. Remember? It's very tricky. We're cleaning today. I'm not gonna have fun doing it. I'm probably not gonna do it. That's just my personality. Like this. So basically what I'm saying is I need to hype the out of myself. Oh, that's good. Fucking lucky. I really have to stop telling my the story like cleaning sucks. You don't want to do this. You don't, you know, that negative little talk that we have with ourselves when it comes time to do something that we don't want to do. Yeah, so it's basically just changing that whole story up, rewrite that shit to set us up for success. In order for me to be successful, my home needs to be clean. It needs to be organized, or else in my mind, I'm not okay. Shit's falling apart. Like when my house is not well, I am not well type of thing. Cleaning your home is, you know, kind of like pretty spiritual to me, because like when I vacuum, you know how you have to empty like the little vacuum thing? So when I do that and I clean out the little banister, I have a Dyson, I love my vacuum by the way, I empty out all of our bullshit, all of like, I think of like vacuuming up all of this like negative energy, or all of this like just vacuuming up all the bullshit, and then the physical act of like dumping it out is just so like cleansing for me. Same when I dust, or just when I clean anything, I feel like I'm kind of cleansing the soul too. That probably sounds a little woo-woo to some of you, and some of you get it. And I love this coffee too. I love the sky today. And you know what I'm just realizing? This coffee drive back home usually consists of me like stressing in my head, and I've noticed that making videos can really bring you out. It can bring you out, you know, that's all I'm saying. Anyway. Okay, so hello. I'm in my laundry room. I have lots of laundry. In here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loads of laundry that I have to do. A lot of people are like, why don't you make your kids do their laundry? My kids do their laundry sometimes. They always put it away. All of them always put their stuff away. But as far as like giving it to the washer, to the dryer, I typically do that just because when I have let them do their own laundry, it's just like, you guys can't put one thing in here, you know? I get pissed when they put too much or they put too little. I don't like it, so I'm like, I'll do it. so I put my makeup brushes up here. They need to be washed, and it's just something that I procrastinate a lot with. I am going to put the Tupperware up here. I just have to kind of go through, you know, the Tupperware chaos. This should be super fun, but yeah, I'm gonna sort through this and get it organized. And then I cleaned out in here. I do want to get like baskets to be like more organized, but baby steps. This drawer, I wish I would have showed you guys it before. It was crazy. It was basically a big trash bag full. And then I also organized this drawer. I also organized those cupboards, and then I'm gonna start working on the spice and vitamin medicine area, and then work my way that way. I mean, I have a lot to do. I'm gonna be honest, I feel super overwhelmed. I have a lot to do.